In this video, I'll be showing you how you can track your return rate of investment, your ROI, using Proanalyzer ad tracking system script. Okay, this is just one of the method. So I'll be showing you this Proanalyzer from the Proanalyzer aspect on how to track the ROI. There are other systems which are actually much better and built in. The ROI you can actually check with you can track the ROI together with the number of sales, the number of clicks, and so on and so forth. But for this system, this ad tracking, we have to do manually and set up everything ourselves. Okay, the reason why you have to track your ROI is because you can actually increase your sales. If you don't track your ROI, you can actually lose a lot of profits in the long run. Okay, basically ROI is like when you would like to check how out of how many clicks your sales letter has been clicked. You want to check the number of sales that generate from the clicks. So let's say if there are 100 clicks or 100 people visited your website, okay, and there are only 4 people who purchase your product, then the ROI is 4%. If there are 100 visitors and you have 10 or 20, for example, then your ROI is 20% or 10%. Okay, so you track so that you will know which sales letter actually works much better, which sales letter actually sells better. Okay, so if you don't track, sometimes you actually lose out, because by tweaking some part of the sales letter, like the main headline, for example, then you can actually increase your profits. So by tracking your ROI, you will know which actually tracks or which actually sells much better. Okay, I have actually created a campaign on Proanalyzer script. Okay, and I've actually created the link, also the URL link, as you can see on the screen here. Okay, so we'll be using this link to track your sales. Okay, let's take for example that you are actually promoting your product on a solo ad or easing ad or PPC campaigns. Okay, so you will put this link, you'll put this ad tracking link as the URL to promote. Okay, in order for you to create your to track your ROI, you have one of the methods is to put an image tag on your thank you page. So to create the image tag, you will go to help here. Okay, you can see here the link for you to generate your tracking code. So I click here. Okay, we will want to check the sale tracking code. Okay, you enter the amount of your product, okay, the cost of your product here. So I'll just put $50 for example. This is just for the sake of example. Generate. Okay, then you have a image code, image tag. So we can select the code and copy this. Now make sure you have your page, thank you page ready. So I go to my Microsoft front page and I have my thank you page. This is an example. Okay, so the code you will insert on your HTML. Okay, between 2 body tags, this body, these 2 body tags. Okay, paste it. As you can see, the tag is actually invisible, you cannot see the tag, so I will save it. Okay, let us upload the sales letter and the thank you page. I've actually already created the thank you page, so I've already placed this URL, the thank you page. You can see here by clicking edit, I've write down the thank you page, which is in PHP format, the file, and just write the price, and I will specify this as test mode and save changes. So let's go and okay, so I'll upload. And the thank you page. Okay, it's done. Now I'll change the thank you page to php.php. This is necessary to make the tracking work. Rename file. Okay, we are done. Okay, and let's get our tracking URL. Let's see. Okay, this is the tracking URL. So copy this. So you will use this tracking URL for your campaigns, for your advertising. Okay, go to a new page and I paste and press enter. Okay, so we go to the sales letter, and I'll make a test purchase. Okay, now we're in the order page. You can see the price is 47, but remember that this is only a test order, so it will not result in a completed transaction. So I'll just fill in my details as per normal. And I don't need to specify my cut, I think, so I just click pay now. I'll click here to complete my order. Okay, so once the person has made this purchase, you've gone to this thank you page. So right now the Proanalyzer will track one sale. So let's see the system, and let's refresh, and there you go. Raw clicks 1, unique clicks 1, and then sales generated 1. Okay, so this is how you track your ROI. So if there are 10 clicks and only 1 purchase, then you will get like 10 unique clicks, here 10, and purchase 1, then your ROI will be 10%. So in this case your ROI is 100%, because actually we get the sale from the first hit. Okay, so because this is a test tutorial, so the first test, I mean the first tracking, the first click, unique click that we did just now actually generate a sale, so that's why you get 100% ROI. So this is how you track your ROI using the Proanalyzer script. So thank you for watching and have a nice day. I'll see you again in other video series. Goodbye.